Hello students, how are you? Once again, I am Faisal Mushtaq, teacher of Justice and Mary School. So now, today I am going to teach Standard 8, Chapter 2, The Age of Revolutions, and some more important point. This is the next part of the video is today. So now, let us come to the points. So students, yesterday I have discussed some important points. So I have said key term learned and also some more important line, and yesterday I have cleared the American revolutions regarding some two more important revolutions, American War of Independence and the French Revolutions. So now today we will discuss the 13 British colonies. So this is very important points. So now the 13 British colonies on the east coast of the continent. Later, when the colonies won independence, so these colonies became its original states. Each colonies had its own government, but the British king controlled these colonies. So now in the period of 1770, many colonists were angry. What is the reason behind the anger of these colonists? Because he did not have self-government. The United States of America was formed from 30 British colonies in 1776. So many of these colonies had been around I think for well over 100 years, including the first colony of Virginia, which was founded in the period of in the year of 1607. So now these 13 colonies were in America but were controlled by Great Britain. These colonies are typically settled by the people from the home country. So now British established their settlement in the direction of the south area. So in the south area, the climate and the soil of this area was suitable for the agriculture. So therefore, the settlers established large farms. So now these large farms were cultivated by the slave. So the settler became prosperous. Students, what is the meaning of prosperous? I will clear. Prosperous means a rich and successful and established colonies. So in south area, particularly in the south area. These included 5 colonies. The name were Virginia, Maryland, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. So now then next point is North colonies. The people who settled northern colonies known as Puritans. Puritans, that means a persons who has high moral standard and who think that is wrong to enjoy yourself. So these people came from America in search of freedom of follow their own form of the Christianity. So now this people is known as a hard-working people. Particular, the people lived very simple life. So northern colonies developed as a manufacturing, as a shipping, like as a shipping center, like this. Slave were not requirement of particular these colony. So this colony were particular Rhode Islands, Massachusetts, Connecticut, and the New Hampshire. So now like this is countries, like here is the country So name of this country, I will say once again, the Rhode Islands, Massachusetts, Connecticut, and the New Hampshire. So now middle colonies we will discuss. So now middle colonies. These middle colonies were a subset of the 13 colonies in British America, located between the New England colonies and the southern colonies. So now the people from all over Europe settled in this colony, British country, controlled of these middle colonies. So now the middle colonies were name of here according to your book explain here. So Britain country gradually took control all over the colonies. They have dealt. These included four colonies named New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and the Delaware. So these were the name of the colonies. These colonies were created to more tolerant to various religious beliefs. The middle colonies had much fertile soil, no doubt, which allow the area to become a major exporter of wheat and the other grains. And also the lumber and the shipbuilding industries also available there were also successful in the particular of the middle colonies. So because what is the reason behind that? These lumber and shipping building industry were very successful in middle colonies because of the abandoned forest. क्योंकि जंगल इतनी ज्यादा थी तो बिजनेस या किसी भी तरीके का जो भी एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट का काम वहां आसानी से होता था. So now the middle colonies treat the native good because they traded foods and gold also. Now, so students, I have completed chapter 2, the age of revolutions points. So the points we will discuss the British colonies and some in the British colonies having some northern colonies and the southern colonies topics. So now I know you will listen carefully. So I will give some task in the Teno app, and I know you read attentively. So and listen carefully. So the next part of the video I will give. Okay, thank you and good day.